Hi everybody, Chapter 6, You and Your Genes, Level FG.
People, plants, and animals have DNA. Genes give you your looks. Genes give you your talents.
So genes are in your DNA, or your DNA is in your genes, and it gives you your looks and your talents.
Genes come from your parents. You may share genes with your family. Your choices make you special.
So you get your genes from your parents, but your choices are what makes you special.
Claire has blonde hair. She likes her hair. She chooses how to style her hair. This makes her special. Josh is good at building things. He likes to build things. He learns to be a good builder. This makes him special.
So Claire and Josh take a trait that they've gotten from their parents and they expand on it to make it their own.
Claire is a good singer. She likes it. She sings in the choir. This makes Claire special. Josh can throw a ball fast. He plays on the baseball team. This makes Josh special. You have your own genes. You get them from your family. Your choices make you special.
So you get your genes from your family and you make them special. So I have brown hair like my mom, but she wears it short and curly and I wear mine long and straight. I was a good singer. My daughter is a good singer, and my daughter is pursuing singing more than I was. So that's what makes you special. How you take your talents and your traits and make them your own. That's the end of Chapter 6. Make sure you log on to Canvas and check your work and do what you need to do to get it done. If you guys have any questions or need help, please contact me or Miss S during our hours and we'll be happy to help. Have a good day.